There's no hope, you fucking dope. Now go along and tie that rope. Hanging with your buddies, hoping everything go right. Then he pull that trigger thing, kill it cause he know my name. Here's a lesson, don't be testing, no you meet my Smith and Wesson. Busted with some perfect aim, I watch it go right through your brain. Oh, you think you know, okay, rolling in that beam of thing. Killing ain't a damn shame, come on up and bring the pain. Roll up some dope, bitch you know I cannot cope with these evil thoughts in the dark. Kill you from a fucking far, you said bitch you make it easy. Killing you only to please me, it's a fucking homicide. I put the Glock up to your eyes.
Fucking with the player man, load the Glock, go insane. Strolling in the fucking rain, looking for a damn stain. See me in the alley creep, taste of that is just too sweet. Flying orbs, follow me, bluish fire after me. Fuck what you fucking speak, get this feeling out of me. Violent death is what you see, breathing slow, take a note. Fuck a suicide, ho, burying you alive, ho. We don't choose sides, ho, clouding what I'm looking for. Ripping the pieces, I got my bitches unleashed. Even for that Glock, I am reaching murderer season is peaking. I'm filling up with the vengeance, I kill them off like a sentence. Killer Kane, beat the menace, and I break off the tension.
Cause I don't give a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make.
Yo, I got a lot of shit to say, so I'ma do this every day. I'll be writing things until I'm fucking buried in my grave. 6 feet deep under, but my body won't decay. Cause my messages are timeless, so they'll put them on display. Oh yeah, I rap with a certainty, I have a sense of urgency. A message for eternity, for everyone internally. I had some people burning me, but now they fucking learn to see I ain't the one to fuck with, now they looking nervously. And I don't really care what you think of me respectfully. You can kick rocks if you think you're fucking better, see. I will outwork you, turn you to an enemy. Hurt you so bad that you're gonna need some therapy. I got the motherfucking recipe, I've been cooking up hits, I'ma leave a legacy. You'll be looking small when you're standing right next to me. I'm 5'10", bitch, but I'm 10 feet
Cause
next
I don't
to
give
me.
a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Cause I don't give a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make.